Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant VAN IOMMU restriction has been applied error. All right, let's begin. First, open your BIOS menu on your computer. In the BIOS settings, locate the option called CSM support and make sure it is disabled. I don't have that option, so I will show a screenshot to show you guys how it will look. If you don't have it, just continue forward. Now find the virtualization setting and enable it. Once these settings are enabled, restart your computer. After restarting, open Windows Security, go to Device Security, and select Core Isolation Details. Turn on Memory Integrity. After that, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, then locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Disable the Wi-Fi adapter temporarily. Download and install the latest Wi-Fi drivers for your adapter. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant VAN IOMMU restriction has been applied. That's it for this video. Thanks.